Coming to now the next topic, the next characteristic, tendency to form p-pi multiple bond. Now again, carbon, it forms a p-pi multiple bond with itself and with the other elements like nitrogen, oxygen. Just simply remember p-pi is nothing but the pi bonds. We are talking about pi bonds. So carbon, it has a tendency to form double bond with itself. Okay, that means there will be a double bond between two carbon atom, or it can be triple bond, because in double bond there is one pi bond, in triple bond there are two pi bonds. Okay, so carbon, it can form single bond as well as a double and triple bond with itself or with some other element. Clear? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course, and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.